replacing the used filter with this brand new one, which I got on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description for it, but let's get to it. In order to start this, there's a clip on this side and another clip on this side. Taking it out, you don't necessarily have to take everything apart. You're pulling the filter out. Just got to move it around a little bit to get it out. This is what the current filter looks like. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt on this side. As you can see, there's a marked difference between them. It's fun trying to put this back in. And it actually worked easier than I anticipated this time. So that's not bad at all. And then you just got to line everything back up. Put in the clips. And that's all it takes to change this nice dirty filter to that brand new one, which I'll put a link down in the description. No tools required, just the air filter. Thanks for watching.